Well, they've certainly changed since our last here a while ago. Time is 11:34, Friday the 9th of April 2021. This will be the 11:36 Northern train service from Sheffield to Lincoln Central, the 11:50 Freightliner service from West Burton to Tonstead. So these both used to scream when I was last here. Between then and now, they must not have been replaced. I've got one train waiting at the platform, one train approaching Gringley Road. This could go well or it could be a farce. If the freight train was slightly later, I would have got both sides. But now it's raining. First will be the Northern. Quick note, the terminating Gainsborough Central service will remain suspended past the May timetable due to lack of passengers. Wasn't a good idea, was it, lads, to instate it in the first place, terminate it, sit in the loop for an hour. Right, freight train's just passing Gringley's protection signal, because I assume it's got one. Hello, 5016 for Lincoln Central. Let's just wait for the freight train, who's give or take about 13 minutes early. Here he is. (66616).